Hi, welcome to Elink, the fastest way to create email newsletters, content pages for your website, social bio links, and much more. Let's show you how you can create fast, beautiful content in minutes. Click on Create New Post. Step 1. Start pasting web links you want to share. Add links to articles, videos, websites, cloud files, and more. Elink will automatically turn your web links into visual bookmarks on the right-hand side. Personalize each link by updating the title, description, or image. Step 2. Add a beautiful header by including a header banner and introductory text. You can also choose whether you would like to include your profile. Step 3. Choose from over 30 plus beautiful responsive layouts to make your content look amazing. Step 4. Personalize the look and feel of your content to make it stand out by selecting colors, fonts, button text, and making it SEO friendly or private. Once you're done, simply hit publish. Now your Elink post is ready to be shared in multiple ways. Share your Elink post as an email newsletter via Gmail, MailChimp, or nearly any third-party email provider. Embed your Elink post on just about any website or blog, from WordPress, Squarespace, Google Sites, Wix, and more. Create beautiful social bio links for Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and more. Creating content is really that easy. Go to Elink.io and create beautiful content in minutes.